Mr. Sassy Plants here, teaching you how to make a DIY tofu press. So first order of business, you might want to just drop 20 boneyards on that joint you see on Amazon, because I'm not gonna lie, I done near lost a limb trying to do this. If you got the setup for it, probably only take you like 5.5 minutes, but I didn't. So, you know, I had to do some sort of WWF. Was not pretty. Anyway, you're gonna want to get yourself a couple cutting boards and some clamps. Of course, you can get all this at Wally World for just a few bucks. And if you got a sharp enough drill, like I said, man, you just put some holes in 2 of them, cut up your tofu, slap them on either side, put the clamps on, and let it Ric Flair drip. Do this for 30 minutes, 48 minutes. Just use your women's intuition on this one. You'll know when it's done. And that's how you make a DIY tofu press. And that's it.